No. Editing, that's too much work. I like the flat thing and less work I have to do. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. This Thursday night, we're kicking off again on our offside bike night at American Legion Lake Dallas Post 88, 105 Gotcher Avenue. Don't forget, 6 to 9 p.m., they are making their famous barbecue plates. So $20 will feed you, and believe me, you are going to be stuffed when you left. Final Dreams is going to be rocking the stage. Again, we will be inside, so we don't have to worry about the heat outside. We will be inside in the nice, cool air condition of the American Legion. So come out and join us for our last off-site bike night of the year. This Thursday, 6 to 9. We're going to be there. All we need is you. It all starts at 6 o'clock. We'll see you then.